Today we are installing a new battery on the 03 Marauder. I know it's dirty. This is my daily beater. This is not the Grand National. We're replacing the Duracell branded Walmart battery, 850 cold cranking amps, 1045 temporary cranking amps at 32 degrees with this. Odyssey Extreme Series battery. This thing, 950 cold cranking amps and 1750 cranking amps for 5 seconds. They use virgin lead in this battery, which allows them to make thinner plates, and they can stack more of them. These guys do energy system for hospitals. So when the generator stops at a hospital, they have battery backups that use basically batteries from these people. These guys know their batteries. This is a lead acid battery. It's nothing special. It's no spiral round or anything like that. But the lead in here is pure lead and stacked very, very thin in very, very thin plates. So what we'll do is go ahead and install this today. Get a little bit of paperwork in there. Just the various batteries. Tech specs and stuff like that. This is the model 65 PC 1750. Manufacture date, all that's good. They've included a little handy thing on here, which I've already marked, of when you install the battery. So we'll go ahead and get this installed, and we'll do an installation video and see how this bad boy runs.